Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading, and I'm going to do a reading for 3 days, 5th, 6th and 7th of June. Let's see what the messages are for you guys, and these are detailed reading for the 3 days, 5th, 6th and 7th June. I just got a channel kind of a message, or I was guided that I have to do this reading. Sorry about my hair flying everywhere always because the AC is on and it's very hot and I can't work without the AC. So let's see what are the messages for you guys. Remember, it's a general reading, like I always say. All messages might not resonate, a few messages might resonate, and a lot of you are listening to this reading, so please take out whatever fits into your situation or whatever guidance you think is for you and is fitting into your situation, so that's for you. So I'm going to start with 5th. 5th is a Friday, that's tomorrow. Let me see what are the messages. Hold your vision. Guys, this is the second time I'm doing the reading because the first one got spoiled. That's what's been happening. So this is exactly the first card that came in the reading. I wish I had a recording of that and I could show you, but yes, this is the same card, and it actually says hold your vision. Don't give up on something that is important to you. It could be a relationship, it could be a job, your business, your family, your friend. It is an idea. Please hold your vision. The cycle of that person or that thing or whatever, that business, whatever idea you have, is not yet completed, and it has value in your life, and please hold your vision. Don't give it up is the first message that I get. I'm just going to take the deck of cards and let's see what are the other messages for you guys. Time to take action. If you want to do anything tomorrow, that's the message I gave when I was doing the other reading, but I think these are the same, almost the same cards with a message in a different, these are different cards with message in a similar way. It says this is not the time for action, which means on the 5th, if you had to make a decision about a yes or a no, what you should do, don't make that decision on the 5th. It is important for you to make that decision on the 6th or the 7th of June, but not on Friday. Please don't take any important decision which requires a yes or a no at all on Friday. That's the 5th of June. This card did come, so I am so glad. Even if I'm repeating my reading and reshuffling cards and shuffling them hard, and I'm shuffling them fast, so these are the same cards that are coming up. You're good enough, guys. Don't worry, you will achieve your dreams. Things will be sorted out is what I want to say. Everything will be fine on the 5th. If you've been worrying about things, that things are not going to be fine, I think on the 5th you will get an indication that things are going to be fine. But guys, remember one thing, tomorrow is not a day to say a yes or a no to anything in your life. Please don't make a decision. It's a stay order. Don't make any decision which is a yes or a no. Please wait for the 6th or 7th to give out your verdict. Exactly the card I gave. My God, I can't believe this. I get so happy. Exactly the card. Yeah, because I'm repeating my reading that didn't go well, and I had to stop it in between. So the answers that are coming to you will happen on. I think the answers will come to you tomorrow, or the 3 days that I'm talking about, 5th, 6th, or 7th. Whatever you needed to know will come to you. Is what I'm getting as a channel message. 5th, let me see what are the other messages. Happy news. Tomorrow is happy news. So a lot of new projects, new things will begin tomorrow. You will get happy news. I don't want you to say a yes or no, but yes, these are happy news that you will be very excited to accept new projects. I get new projects. Also, suddenly you'll get to know that you are having a baby, or somebody around you who is really close to you is having a baby, and this will be really happy news. There is some happy news in the family tomorrow, and you'll be celebrating it soon. Sorry guys, it feels I'm on a beach and my hair are flying everywhere. I am so sorry for that, but I can't help it because the AC is just next to me and it's a blast on my face. Keep going. Tomorrow you might feel that one thing is, because this is a general reading, so it, a lot of you are listening and it might fit into your situation or not. For some of you, it's a very happy news. Also, I want you to keep going because this has come reversed. I don't want you to stop or abandoning a project. Like I always say, don't reject anything. Tomorrow is not the time. Make a decision only after tomorrow is what I want to say. Tomorrow is not a day for decisions. Guys, if I'm repeating a message again and again and again, it means I am supposed to give this message to you guys. A birth, I told you, you will also find out that, you've conceived, or you will think about a baby, or you will probably talk to your partner about having a baby, and you will have a baby soon. tomorrow. Birth, again the same thing. The same cards come twice. There'll be happy news in your family. There'll be a birth in your. There'll be a birth, and I get you will conceive. If this question was on your mind, when will I conceive, or anything to do with conception, there will be a child in your family. There'll be a baby in your family, I should say. Don't be vulnerable tomorrow. You're in a vulnerable position. That's why I said, because you're in a vulnerable position, tomorrow is not the time to take any kind of important decisions. Okay, guys, just stay away from those decisions. Let me see. Let me get another card. I'm using another deck. Let me see what that is. So. Increase support. Right now you think this is for 5th. If you think tomorrow you're not getting support, it is just for tomorrow. I think even support will come in, emotional support, any kind of money support, any kind of financial situation will come to you. So don't worry about this, and the situation will be resolved. Especially there will be support after the 5th. Tomorrow you might feel things are not going okay. What is it? And should I give up on somebody? Should I give up on an idea? But don't give up tomorrow. And whatever decision you want to make after the 5th, guys, I'm saying it again and again. So stress will be reduced, but after tomorrow. So tomorrow is an important day. Tomorrow is a day to just lie back and see what things, what is happening in your world, what is not happening, things that are fitting in your world, or you need to give them up. I think tomorrow is just a day of thinking and no action. I think there shouldn't be any action. Tomorrow is just a day of thinking. So that was your reading for the 5th. I'm going to move on to the 6th. Let's see how's 6th June going to be for you guys. Classes, there's a disruption in classes. You were wanting to take classes, you're not going to take them, or classes were your routine, daily thing that you used to do. Something is disrupted here. I don't know why. Probably you're not feeling too well or something, and you're not going for your classes, or you've just heard that the teacher is not going to take any more classes, or you've exited a group. I don't know why I want to say that you were in a meditation or whatever spiritual group or something, the group that was formed, and suddenly I feel that you think you don't fit in there. I don't know why I get that feeling. You've exited some kind of classes, or you're not very happy with your classes. So this is something to do with classes where you're not very happy with your teacher, or the kind of classes that you've taken on, or probably you enrolled for something like a short course or something, and you're not very happy, and you think you don't belong there, or that course is not meant for you. So this is one of the feelings that probably you will get from the class. This is 6th of June. Open your heart to love. A lot of you are closed right now, not opening your heart to commitment. You are with someone, but you are not showing your real self to the person. You're not showing your true side. You're not expressing. You're not. I feel you've had a broken heart, and right now it's like you're not really trusting the person. That should I open up too soon? Yes, that's the situation. You're thinking that should I open up too soon to the person? Should I let him in or her in and tell her or him about my secrets, about my life, or what's happened? I think you're contemplating or you're deliberating about something, and you're not very sure, and you are very closed right now. On the 6th of June, you're going to be very closed. Deserving, you're pretty deserving about anything that you've been thinking, and if you think that you're not deserving of the person, or or of the situation, or of the love, you are deserving. Remember that. I get the word deserving, yeah, again. So you are deserving, and don't lose your self-worth, and have confidence in yourself. Number 8 is important for you. So on the 6th of June, I don't know why I want to say this, number 8 is very important for you. You're going to deal with a person who's now number 8, or you are a number 8. Clearing negativity. Like I said, there is a lot of negative situation or negative thoughts happening on the 6th. So you got to clear negativity from your life. That's when you're going to think well and think clearly. So don't let negativity touch you in any way. Let me see what are the other messages for 6th of June. Life-changing. Something is going to be life-changing decision. Like I said, don't wait on, don't make any decision on the 5th. Do it on the 6th or the 7th. I think 6th is the day. I want to say 7th also. These are the 2 dates when you're going to make a decision that's going to affect your life big time. Is going to make an impact in your life, or there is some kind of unexpected change also that's going to happen. And I cannot tell you to be ready for an unexpected change. What's wrong with me? Unexpected change. uh, I just want to caution you, that's all. Things might change suddenly is the channel message that I get, that things suddenly might change in your life on the 6th and you might not even realize it. The answers you need are coming. So 6th is on the 6th, the answers are coming. I don't know why I want to say this. 6th is going to be an important date for you, and there is some message or some realization that you will have, some message you will get. So I would say you're going to feel more balanced. It was a difficult, complex situation. I don't know why today I'm interpreting this card very differently to what it's written. There was a situation which will, it was not a very pleasant situation, but on the 6th is going to get resolved on its own. I don't know why I want to say that, but that's the channel message that I get. On the 6th, there's a situation that's going to get resolved on its own. You don't need to put in much hard work in that. Your commitment is being tested. I think your commitment has been tested, and that's the answer you're going to get, or you're going to give an answer. You were waiting for somebody, you were being very patient about something, and that's the situation. And I think the situation is going to settle, and you're going to feel more balanced, is what I get. On the 6th, on the 6th. Time to release negativity. If it's come reversed, it means you're not releasing negativity. 6th is the day when you should be releasing negativity, guys. So I'm going to move on the 7th. Let me see what are the messages for 7th. I didn't want to change my deck, so I'm just going to move with this deck only. So what are the messages for the 7th? Conclusions are within reach. Something big is within reach. I think on the 6th you will realize something, and some conclusion on the 7th. You will make the conclusion or something by the end of the day. So by on the 7th at the end of the day, you will reach to some major conclusion. It's like, I think on the 7th you're going to give a verdict. I said expect a powerful change. It's come reversed. Expect a powerful change in your life. I want to say 6th, 7th, and 8th. I'm going to include 8th. Something really powerful is going to happen. It's going to impact your life, like I said. And this card has come out, so I want to validate that on the 7th or the 8th. I don't know why, but I want to include 8 also, and I gave you 8 number is important. So I think on the 7th or the 8th, something major is going to happen in your life. I don't want to take this card. Doesn't belong in this reading. Let me see. End of a tough cycle, guys. I said something is going to get concluded. Something will find its completion in your life, and tough cycle that you were facing for quite a long time. It could be relationship, finance, career, anything, job, business. It's going to end. So that's a good message for the 7. Let me see what are the crystal messages for 7 for you guys. Clearing negativity. So I think the 3 days, it's about clearing negativity, thinking positively, not letting any negative thoughts come near you. Just let go of negative thoughts. Don't even let them come anywhere near you, because it's going to affect you. I want to say they're going to affect you. They're going to affect your health. So just think positively. Like I always say, these are not only the 3 days that you should be thinking positively. Guys, think positively always, and good things will happen. Increase support. Again, you're wanting support, and I said it might come, but not on the 7th. There is some support that will come to you, whatever financial situation or emotional support, but I think it will come after the 7th, guys. Love life is going to improve. Something is going to happen on the 7th. So there'll be some decision which will improve your love life. That's what I get. Maybe the person will not go from your life, or will stay, or a past lover will come back with new promises, is also what I get on the 7th. Let me see what Archangel Gabriel has for you on the 7th. What messages? Allow yourself to receive love. So if love is coming on the 8th, allow yourself. Okay, open up, because I read for 5th, 6th, and 7th, and it says that you're not really open for love. Please be open for love. Allow love to enter in your life. And I feel there's a new person in your life. I don't know why I want to say that. There's a new person in your life. Vision board. Make a vision board. Write your goals, whatever you want from life, on a piece of paper. Stick it wherever you see it every day, on your cupboard or whatever, under the pillow. Keep it and keep looking at it, and keep doing affirmations. Everything will be fine, guys. So 7th is a good day to make a vision board, whatever you want to achieve. Your short plans, your long-term goals, anything, vision. Authenticity. Please be authentic that day. Think of original ideas. Be original when you're loving. show your true self, and don't mask yourself. One more card. Birth again. I think you'll get a news of a baby soon that you have conceived. I want to say it again. And these are good days. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Yes. If you've been thinking about a baby, you will get the news that you have conceived. I will get it very soon. Authenticity came out again. So be true to yourself. Yeah, that's a better message. Be true to yourself. If you're true to yourself, the world will love you. Recognition. A lot of you will get recognition on the 8th. So whatever you've done, if you've completed a project or family, you've done something for the family and you've helped someone, you get a lot of recognition. You'll get applauded for it. I hear applause. I hear applause. That's what I want to say. So I hear a lot of clapping. So 8th is why did I say 8th? I was saying 7th. I'm mixing dates. I always do that. So those are all channel messages, guys. 8th is recognition for you. 8th was an important number. So maybe that's why on the 8th you'll get a lot of recognition. That's what I probably wanted to say. So these were the readings for the 3 dates. And I'm going to be back with another kind of reading. Maybe I'll do a reading for another week in June. And I think that's more enjoyable because at least you'll know how your day will go in June. And thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Please listening. Do hit the like button. Do comment. I always read the comments. And thank you so much. Good night. Bye.